Hey guys, Greg Davies here. Today I'm going to talk about how you can make a lot of money online from affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is where you promote someone else's product or service, you send traffic to their website, they do all the work, and they pay you a commission. Now there's nothing new in the concept, right? It's been around forever. Companies have been partnering with each other way before the internet. But the problem is that at the beginning of the internet, almost anybody could promote anything, and a lot of people did shady things, such as spamming affiliate links in email, creating crappy affiliate sites, and of course the result is that big companies don't just let anybody promote them anymore. So affiliate marketing has kind of a bad name today, and you're going to see this when you start promoting something. Companies don't respect their affiliates the way they used to. They keep changing the rules, your links and everything. So it's kind of a pain in the ass, but when you do it right, with the right partners, it's still worth it. It's very easy money. I've made a lot of money from affiliate marketing, but I would never build a business exclusively around affiliate marketing. It's much better to run your own business, having your own product, your clients, and being the guy, I would say that affiliate marketing is a great way to make some extra cash within your business, but I would not build a business just around affiliate marketing. Now the question is, what should you promote, right? The best advice I can give you is this. If you're using products and services that you love and you believe in, then go ahead and promote those. I've always made more money promoting stuff that I personally used and loved than promoting something just for commission. Sure, you could sign up for affiliate networks like Commission Junction and ClickBank. They have thousands of products and services to promote, and you could choose what to promote based on numbers. Or you could ask yourself the simple question, what kind of great products and services are you using? You should promote those because you're going to make a lot more money that way than promoting something just for commission, because the best salesperson of any product is always the satisfied user, period. You're going to be more convincing, your calls to action are going to be more compelling, and you're going to make more sales, and it's much more fun promoting stuff you love. Alright, that's it. I hope this helped. If you want more videos from me, subscribe to my YouTube channel, follow me on Twitter and Facebook. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.